daughter's having friends over tonight and they requested Smashburgers. On the Blackstone. 8 pounds of ground beef, 80 burgers. I'm gonna need some help. Are you kidding me? 2 sticks of frozen butter. Why frozen? Try to shred softened butter. Roll them into golf ball sized balls. Chop up a couple onions. Here we go. We're gonna grill the onions. Start by baking up the griddle. Got the bottom buns ready to go. I got pickles on every one of them. They're King's Hawaiian rolls. You've got to use King's. They're sweet, they're savory, they're awesome. And no, they're not sponsoring me. I'm going 10 at a time on the grill. Easy method. Smash, salt and pepper, Lowry's, flip, onion, any kind of cheese you like, white American for me. 1 pan done, 3 left. Second batch, 3rd one done. Those of you that think this is easy, not really.
Are you